Yeah, good people. Me chacha, and Ray. Baby, oh, show me be greetings. Me chacha. I'm say news be called circulation about. It's about 28 million, I think, dollars with Ghana cedis. Loan approval for cars for parliamentarians 275. Now, we share comments now there. It seems that a man for a wolf ye, Ghana for wolf because say we situation now. You will move. We are saying COVID no, and then the man economy no. Necessarily, I want to learn in the Amadoso. You know, and there might be say any PR, a buffoo, but and there must say no. Me blame Ubia, but I blame the parliamentarians. Any politicians say, oh, Ghana. I mean, sometimes I don't pity any MBCs, especially when it borders about the parliamentarians and any politicians. No, MBC no. Yana, some for Sebi, Eddie Egu almost about such an approval for loans. Say, Kotoka near there. Yana mean pity Edientia because one. Yamagana politics no ayetantan na politician ase power ebinimu penti no enema bi wo ho a sebi yebetimi akyerem a edentase ebeba no ye nkyere ne de aye politics it because of that no akọ Ghana fo nyina tirim sesabi bibia ebepie bia no na kyerɛ se bia oman sika ene yewia bi so a enkyeremu ba ya na nye oman sika ne yewia. Now, so no, a sign said the area politics are politicians no sign political power be or be more painting. Bibi or and can win trim, I bet me at tray. Now, and Crophobe who not told Masumo. Yet the area politics, SABB Antino, Amagana my mano. I won't turn in near my woman to Bibi or a PA, not Ubia Sumusabi, or my Sika. I don't mind you. If it's a Ghana, my man, Sabi around tray work room, and then I'm saying fire services and some a PA. Yet, say, in Suokrana, fire car, no first one I buy any bin in my training, the casino, a people buy and then near ma, nay. So, Nessa near man, I want tray work room in my idea. No, Casse, say, finance minister, the Atebu 28 million at the court parliament, say, approval of Casa. Ebini mo ho mbefa ne saa befa ne tra into mba be di politicians atem say mo ye insensitive amonwe oman no but ntremu wo ho anka enya politics tantan ayeye wo Ghana parliamentarians can sit down and explain say sika no say ye sika asabi enya de ayekota oman sika say ye de koma parliamentarians say mo ngotoka because we are parliamentarians wo free wa we are member of parliament aka na obeto no saa aka no ensi ho ti say minister de to aban car agese mratantan bi o mo de ba ya no de maka ho asem say ense say so say o wotena aban car mu for some years so utimi to no de me madika kan bibiri say me ne omu enya adwen but we parliamentarian na enka sema wo mu ne say saa we no eye loan a ye tetew from salary editua now so your politics tantan ti no won we say ye de asem ne beto ho no Ubia sum sreni abasa ne yeka. I don't pity them one bit. Na said ye enkrofo be kire o madwin bia this time around there me mpe atem didi si e de be masem. Obe didi obi atem me kire madwin mimi didi se be politician bi atem. And I mean ka asem boni bia nkire parliamentarian bia. But your politics stand tiny ntino. Any kwan e fa so your politics say sign say all the time your power. Enti certain things no will happen. Na abufuhio no nso ebeba politicians ne so omo anaye but nkasem we no abrochire nyina no nkanya den wo ha se we parliamentarian na ye betimi a guarantee ti say ye adwuma yi so car loan e wo ho a ye di car loan ni mawa sika no a ye de mawo na nya ban sika o e wo mu say yes ti say bia baby am ye adwuma yi me ye adwuma baby am ye adwuma ya ban adwuma city council no se me pe bibia council no betimi atamachi ama man kwa akọ car no na me gia sai sika na metua na nya ban na betua sai sika no me salary na ye de be ma me no eno ene ye betete every month edi atua etika parliamentarians no enka ntremu a wo honi ba politics tantanti no won say dey abeto 28 million na Ghana obia buafu but ni nyina ya politicians ni parliamentarians no abibia NDC MPP instead they say ya beto ya bo na ya kirem say ni say no ya ntirem na dey atemdidie so esa say bia ya fo say ya de agu aban na ni mase ya de agu president ne mo na mo hye ho no NDC MPs MPP di omo na wo power entino enka we eba ye nke be pushi agu om so wansa mu nyina maka ma no atum otan no oyaw ene abufushi e beba mo so no enka asem we abrochire hanom a enya asem bia ye be chechirem say yes esan say ye parliament ntina ese ba parliament na finance minister edi anim be say sika no enya ban sika a sebe ye kwodi a ye de che politicians ye fa nche wom loan a sa loan no nya ban ne betua individual parliamentarians no eyomo ka enti so otena so na ne time so na okọ ka na wakoje no they will make sure say obetua ka enti sa ka no nya ban ka even though say omo parliament nti and I said the parliament by omo yi na say finance minister ebam and obam so but a sign omo ne ye ni politics tantan a omo ye nti no won say nka we enya asem o enya sabi ministers and aban ekodi loan no de enka mo asem ka say ministers aban ekodi loan because ministers de sa cars ne wo ho no sabi ye you free as a minister untimi mfanko agese sa amra no mo de aban no kra no I think say na nsen ye review si ye ntwam say ubeye minister ka bi wo ho aban ka o be kwa no wato no aban ba ye ho nsensem nti no em so mo de akọ ami aka wansem say ye ntwa sa de nim so etikanu no e wo ho nanso no politics tantan a ye wo Ghana enka wei parliamentarians say mo be kire mu kura obi a ntemase abufuo won krofom entimu kire mu anya ye enti de besi ani say ka loan no ese mu twam ka loan no mu ntwam na mfa asomdwe mra efisa abufusie wom na mo ntimi ntrase enkosi hwe eti the best thing for you people to do say pam no chare no mu ntwa ka loan nim muncha kalo nim na mo politicians no politics tantan amaye no you people are going to suffer if it's on my bia no sabi we have to have leaders you people are going to suffer enti muncha kalo nim na bufusia bia amamo so just cancel it because of the dirty politics amoye da bia politician will be per upper hand if it's of say the government of the day ye ka munnimu say sabi da bia mo am kuku mutum no ena mo abufuhia Ghana for de beba mso no waja se car loan no ewom enti muntwam finance minister ewom say sika no enya ban sika wo de ne de enchise mu no una ese ukoho because sika bia na sabi ana bibia enchise bia beye no ese wo hobi enunti ena ye wasede ese wo parliament ba sabi ye kwaji loan no ena bi no won loan individual politician 275 no enya ban ne betu esikara mo na nso ye politics tantanti no ka loan muntwam na ne wa parliamentarian no sabi wa call bank ya kwaji loan ena say government guarantee a loan no oji a e de toka na wo na wo betua eti ho na asem bia ma ho but emra no mu nhise mu no ye nya ne saa so aja say de ye no ne say say the finance minister abai enko be ye nanso politics tantan nti no wan wudi akosi Ghana for ntemase Ghana for omo ntemase because asem we no ti say be wo ya adwuma bi na adwuma no agina mu guarantee na wodi akwakwaje loan atoka ebisa wona abetu asaka we no enya banka na nso ya politics tantan nti no asem we wuchire mu sen kra Ghana for omo nyimu ni what I say wuchire mu sen kra Ghana for nyimu ni eti the best thing say muntwam ebisa you unpopular unpopular. Etimunchum, cancel it. Never from Yemram, ne free ne chrono. Politics are more yen. Mon fa bibianton chain. Na de ye papa ebe boa. O mine. What I say, Munina kamum. Na politics are sabi, ye twitwa 90 yen kan sam. Any abokro no, and I say, na edi o ya to Ghana for trimuno. Mubesu nyansa. Car loan way, Ghana form peneda. Even so, sika we nya buy ne betua. But Ghana for pene. Ghanaians will never accept this. And I said, will be and will bet me can be a mom. What I say, because situation I won't say, no, I won't tell her. What I see, I won't tell her to Ghana for none, no Ghanaian will accept this. So, Mona Mama who coin. Mama who coin mancro for Sebi. And ye might be a modia propaganda just because say, Mufo Samu yet ya. I'm a president and I say, Sebi, government of the day. And you, and ne, NDCO, MPPO, Munina, Yenina, Dukadaya. Ghana form print Munchum, would to me and explaining my name to Ghana for soon. And Utimunchum, and some Kaway, and Kanya Bonio, and Kanya Bonnet, because it's Kaway, a Mulona, individual politician, a friend saying, parliamentarian and Cabananso, would to me explain it. Etimunchum, Muncha sa adia wim. Just cancel it. Now, there's no amount of explanation and a Ghana for better say. So what I say, maybe the amity hey. What I say, so can Ghana mra ne parliament ya at least ya can be and committee say enim say kano enya banka eyamu na kan betua nanso a sign type of politics ya Ghana any other type you twitwa ntro to mo am twitwa ntro to mo so because of political power ntino say no mutimi car loan we mutwi mutan enya adwuma etima lacha car na no na mbetram 4 years what I say wow onya yi no na ne o private car bia wakwakofa what I say nyesa ene said mo individual mutimi ko bank obo besia no age se mo ye ne saa na sanska we die enya adwuma etimun twam mon cancel this deal. What I say, finance minister, ya say system no, and I say, as you say, na wo ho no. Emremu say ono na so ko tebu. Etini din na batachiri. And na ya. So, but say ade we loan we no. Parliament, e wo mu say mo loan agreement ni ade mo na mo gitum. We mu gitum a me support Ghana for say omunya demonstration tiamo. What I say, next time no, Sebi, o mine ya, and near my babu or my man quenimuno. Sa politics tantina ye no. Ye be kasa, yat throw mino near ma Sebi, a bet me a bo mino. Amana quite Sebi babu or mina, ye fan yet, and tro. Nemomuno. Parties ninano, yadin trim, ebe ba, yenina collectively as Ghanaians near Tiasie. Et who ye bibia, obin trambe bin kase, uwia o man sika, ana o man moyedin, ena enkrofo bre ena monwem ho. Se ade wei, se yete abrochiri hai. Ene mam ye din de, but om ye bibi say wa ha. Esan say all the time, ade ebe mo man akoso parliamentarians ni ade nyina ye yi no. So ati ase, ye nyina no, ye dwen ho ne hu se wei e ade ebe bo o man. Ghana nya sa ne te etimu de oyaw eni abufu ahye nkrofom ayese aban ni wiya o man ni sika enti no de sabi ebia enkiye ya anya bone no so hu o man man te a na abufu aba enti politics tantan na akofa enti parliamentarians ye both NDC MPP muntie ade we no emfa enti the best thing for you people to do finance minister said the constitution in Mrama ho kwan ono ne de obeya ne se obetebu wo parliament loan no parliamentary no agreement mon suspend till further notice. So I say, now munchum and no pet any idea about what say. Idea we no, she knew I'm better Ghana for better as you. And Juma, your politics and time, I think, say, you will sit down and reason. Na sabi, ye bibia, ebe bo minor ko anymore. Sabi, abaya owoso, president ni ye bibia baboa, munyina betena ase. Collectively, na madwen, ahusa de we bebo minor. Na propaganda any near parliamentarian just because say abine yempe and I your opposition yabeka and tonko for trimuno. Moon reason ni yemshe. So I just say intino emfa eti parliamentarians no A to Z moon chop chese sadia we ya approve ye enti pam no chare no ochina mo ankasa true speaker Emeka so car agreement ni suspended. Na montra malacha mu. Sa na mfanye adwuma. Because baby ayadru no, we all need sacrifice for the country. Sebe progress. Aban ya owoso yi. Da bia me de Emeka. Oye niam bebre a ebebo man na kwa nim. Na so sebe yensam keka especially more parliamentarians yi. Yensam keka ne niam ntino. So ama some Ghanaians ebia fa ban ni trimuka sabia ban ni ye bibi ebi kura ye o entebini so ofo say o to bo abodan ebe bounce back to you eti parliamentarians asem we de obi aniwa a obetena ase ana dwen da ho a sabi obeka bi amamo. There's no amount of explanation even though it is a loan ameti hai minim se mram enya ban na betu aka no e mu individuals but obi ante ase nobody will understand this politics tantana ye no esunsunsanso ene ye hu no the dirty politics that we do in Ghana see a political power yen say nipa yen say omampani oteso na emfa oyaw emre nkrofo fi say obi anim Ghana obre se say ya corona abai situation wo Ghana obi anu wa sabi obeka se eye aha nyina da bia me ka me se abrochire kura so fa na Ghana de ebeden abrochire o se if corona yi ahiti and so hard to the extent to say Holland ha enipa over 2 million near ade household ena omo car omo ye distress nkofo bebre aye ya na Ghana sabi a developing country. Yen ebeden enti obi anu obete ase. That is how it is. I don't form damase. Eti mun twam mun cancel. Simple as that.